Good afternoon. My name is Samuel Okon, and today I'm going to teach biology for SS2. And the topic for today is going to be dentition. For this topic, the instructional materials is going to be the model of the skull, YouTube videos, biology textbook, board, and chalk. Now, for this lesson, the objectives we are to achieve by the end of the lesson, the pupils should be able to at least define dentition, mention the types of dentition, and explain the types of dentition with examples of animals with such dentition. Now, having said that, talking about the previous knowledge, what we learned in our previous class, we talked about the skeletal system and we mentioned the types of skeleton and the parts of a skeleton. Now, the introduction of this topic, I'll introduce it with the aid of 4 steps. Now, the first step is the definition of dentition. What is dentition? Now, dentition simply is the arrangement of teeth in an organism. Now, on to the second step is that types of dentition. Now, dentition has 2 main types, which is the homodont and heterodont dentition. Now, the word homo means same, hetero means different. So, homodont dentition, in this our next stage, in our next step, I'm going to explain it, and heterodont dentition. Now, homodont dentition, this is the dentition whereby there's uniformity in the same shape and size of all the teeth in an organism. That is to say that all the organism's teeth are the same shape and size. Now, examples of animals with homodont dentition are mostly reptiles and amphibians, such as the lizards, frogs, and salamanders. Now, the fourth step, the heterodont dentition. This type of dentition in an organism, the teeth is arranged in different shapes and sizes, modified for special functions. Now, examples of organisms with heterodont dentition mostly are mammals. Now, types of heterodont dentition in mammals, we have the incisors, which is chisel shape, and it is found in the front part of the mouth, and it is used for cutting food. The second is the canine, and the canine is sharp and pointed, and it is found at the side of the jaw, used mainly for biting. The third is the premolars, which is cuspid shape. That is, it can lock up and down and crush food. It's just found after the canine, and it's used for crushing or chewing food. Now, last but the least type of heterodont dentition is the molars. It's cusp shaped also, and is found at the back of the jaw, the last end of the jaw, and it is used mainly for grinding food. Now, after this lesson, the evaluation is supposed to be in this manner, in that the students should be able to define dentition, mention types of dentition known to them, explain the types of dentition and examples of such dentition. Now, you should also list the types, location, functions of heterodont dentition. Now, having said all this, I'll give an assignment, and the assignment is to draw the structure of the tooth using the model in which the chart in which we used as an instructional material earlier on. Now, the conclusion is this class will come to an end, and I'll give concise notes for the students' perusal. Thank you very much.